What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, I just wanted to go over very quickly how we caught over 900% on SPY calls towards the end of the day. One thing to keep in mind was it was the end of quarter rebalancing, so funds are gonna pile in, buy some more S&P, put some more S&P on their books. I'm more of a technical trader, not really fundamental, but the technicals today lined up with the fundamentals. So what I want to focus on is the hourly chart. Now, before we get into the hourly chart, let's just go into the chat and see what we were looking at for the remainder of the day. So market opened up today, really not that much action. We pushed down, kind of chopped around here and there, but what I was really focusing on, and we'll get rid of this right now, what I was really focusing on for this play was this hourly gap to potentially get inversed or become respected and take out these lows here and here. This gap ended up getting inversed, and what I really wanted my chat and everybody to focus on was these hourly equal highs we have at 52.94.50 on ESM 2024. So going back to the trading view chart, let's focus on these hourly equal highs. And if you guys have been following me for a while or you're in the Discord, you know my favorite trades are the equal highs, equal lows, failure to go higher, and failure to go lower. In this instance, it was a simple equal highs trade, right? Hourly equal highs, 52.94.50. You know, it got rejected twice. Towards the end of the day, we pushed through, take out these highs, take out these highs here, as well as these equal highs up here at 53.11, 25. So let's go back into the chat. Let's see where we entered at, see where the entry came in. I believe it was around 327, if I was correct. Yeah, 327. We played the 521 calls. So what I'm going to do is go into Thinkorswim really quick. We'll annotate this chart as well. It's the same chart, but this is just on Thinkorswim. Hourly gap over here gets inversed. We'll make this yellow color. And then what I want you to focus on is 52.94.50, right around there. Let's make this over here show on the right. We'll make it 52.94.50 and we'll call it equal highs. Simple trade, right? So let's go into 327. This is the contract chart of the 521 calls. And I'm going to go into SPY because I'm trading SPY. I'm not trading ES. I do use ES as confluence as well. But let's go into 3:27 p.m., which should be right around here. What I was really watching for and what was my main confluence on this trade was actually a 5-minute inversion gap. And I take my entries off the 1 minute, but I'm watching multiple time frames as I trade. My favorite time frames are the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and also the hourly, right? I'm trading 0-day expirations. I'm in and out pretty quick. I'm looking for, a nice scalp, nice move, and to just trail my stop loss, take advantage of the trade. So we have this 5-minute bearish gap that gets inverted with a candle close above the gap. Let's go into the 1 minute chart really quick at 327. 327, we're right here. What I noticed as another level of confluence with this trade was this 1 minute bullish gap that was getting respected. Super, super tiny. Obviously, we have another bullish gap below, but this one right here got respected. And I'll make this a nice lime green color. Another additional level of confluence of this trade was my gem and my secret weapon, which is the contract premium chart. So over here, we have a bearish gap on the contract premium chart. See this candle right here, this low to this high. We have this inversion gap here. Well, it's a bearish gap, but it ended up getting inverse. We'll make this lime green and we'll make it a little bit see-through. Make it like that, make it nice and easy. So entry came at 15 cents, right at 327. That's where we alerted it at. That's where I got it at. My stop loss on this trade was only 5 cents. So if I was wrong, I was only going to lose 5 cents per contract. Entry came right around 15 cents. Obviously, the play went absolutely nuclear today. It went absolutely crazy. So what I want to teach you guys and really focus and actually instill in you guys is when you're taking a trade like this, obviously today was an outlier. We had a crazy, crazy move, broke all the highs. If we go back to ESM 24, you can see we took out the equal highs. And let's clean up the chart a little bit. You can see we took out the equal highs at 52.94 here and here. And I'll actually go on the 15 minute to make it a little bit less cluttered. And actually, let's do the hourly. Let's make it a little bit less cluttered, right? When you're trading along, you're looking for the market to take out old highs. Let's get rid of all this junk in the chart. You're looking for the market to push through and break above previous highs, whether they're equal highs or just previous highs. So all these circles right here, all these ovals right here are just previous highs. We're looking to trade above it and then trim some contracts off. So entry came at 15 cents. Obviously, we took our trims. 42 was a trim. 44 was a trim. And the trims, I'm just basing off old highs on the contract chart as well. So we have these levels right here around 50, 54. Again, over here, 55, 60, 79. Ultimately, I think I got out of this trade at $1.20. But if you guys have been following me for a while, I love to trim my contracts above old highs, right? Whether it's 10 or 15 cents away, whether it's a farther up target, above old highs on the contract chart are great spots to take some profits off and to keep trailing your stop. That's what I like to showcase when I'm signaling trades and when I'm showing everybody what I'm doing. As you can see, the chat got really excited. It was a smooth trade today. Kept upping the stop loss, but the simplest way to trade, in my honest opinion, is the equal highs and equal lows trade, as was mentioned previously. The charts on TradingView are much cleaner, so let's just focus on this for another 2 minutes. Simplest setup. Equal highs and a psychological level at 5,300. More highs up here at 5,305. 5,306 you can call it. More equal highs up here, relatively equal but close enough, at 5,311. And you can see basically on this chart, what I'm trying to just showcase to you guys is as soon as this hourly gap got inverse and closed above, we took out the equal highs here, another set of highs here, another set of highs here, and the last relative equal pair up here. Obviously, we have all-time highs in the market. We could trade into it tomorrow. It's a short week, holiday week, but that's besides the point. I'm not really coming in with a bias. But back to it. Use the premium charts. Have your trades set up, have everything planned out. This takes the guesswork out of trading. This makes trading more of a calculated decision rather than just calling it a gamble or it's risky or you don't really know what you're doing. You either have a plan or you plan to fail. So all my trades are well thought out and planned, and I hope you guys are taking in this information of using the contract chart. Obviously, today's opportunity was something there, maybe it happens once a quarter, maybe it happens once every 6 months. I don't hit 900%ers every day, but it's something to implement into your trading so that when opportunities like this arise, you can hold for the full move or close to it. I got out at $1.20. These contracts ran to $2.70. Am I upset about it? Not really. Do I wish I could have caught more? Absolutely. You're never going to catch the dead bottom. You're never going to always sell the exact top. So let's make sure to catch that good move of the trade and be happy with our profits. So I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos so far. Plenty more to come. And trade safe and be smart. And I appreciate you guys so much. Have a wonderful night. Thank you so much.